keep hearing that racing a full-size truck is different than anything I've ever done. Take what you know about setting up and racing a car and just throw it out the window, because that does not work here. I think I can confidently say that that is mostly true. The theories are the same, but they don't seem to work the same in practice. The Lights Out 17 at South Georgia Motorsports Park is the perfect setting to put that theory to the test. A class dedicated just to trucks. If it's got a tailgate, it can race in the class. The atmosphere is incredible at South Georgia Motorsports Park in the small town of Adel, Georgia. It has the nickname Home of the Flying Cars for a reason, and now Home of the Flying Trucks. This is one you want to experience firsthand. And if you're an avid enjoyer of trucks, I'd say you want to come see the truck class while you're here. When you have a place to gather the fastest of the fast like this, it's sure to bring smiles, fun times, but also heartbreak for some. This is the week of Lights Out 17's No Time Pro Truck Class. Welcome. It is the week of Lights Out. We're here at South Georgia Motorsports Park. It's beautiful out. It's Tuesday. We got here yesterday, but just kind of set up and moseyed around. And I got burnt. Again, just the lobster again already. So we have Redrum. Maximus is clear back in there. And then this is Lucius. It's a little gangster truck that Ray has. I guess he wants me to drive it. Well, S15, it's a GMC, just like that. So Redrum and Maximus are both running the Pro Truck, No Time Pro Truck class. And then again, I'll be in Little Gangsters in this. So if you don't know what Little Gangsters is, it's 530 ET. That's like the index, you can't break out, but it's also no time. And like once competition starts, I guess you don't get a slip. I don't know what they're going to do here. It's called Gangster X at this race. I guess I'll be driving this. But it's Tuesday. It's just testing today, 3 to 10. I think we're about ready to go. See you up there. So we're rolling up the tech in my Chariot for the weekend. I'm in an S10. Ray put me in this to run Little Gangsters. I'm not very good on the light, so we'll see how this goes, I guess. But we're going to tech right now. All right. It is day 2. I got a hat again because I'm absolutely cooked again. Just can't learn. But last night I went a 523 in Little Gangsters. My light's still terrible. I have never staged a car like this. So I've only ever driven turbo cars, so I'll floor it with the trans brake and then bump in. I've never had to roll in, hit the trans brake and floor it. So it's just gonna be a little learning curve for me. Maximus made a test pass. They're going up to get tires. Remember in the last video, I showed you them beat up tires with the holes in them. So Mickey Thompson's put new tires on. And its Redrum's first pass went well. I got into wheelie control a little bit, so we're trying to figure that out. And then the second pass, it just spawned. We were one of the last ones, so the track just kind of went away. But it's beautiful out. It's kind of cloud cover, but nice and warm. And today we have our first qualifier, I guess. It's Wednesday. First qualifier on Wednesday. But we're just gonna hang out until then. I don't know when it starts or anything, but yeah, just hang out till then. He was hearing some noises and the pinion's cracked right between the teeth in a bunch of spots. I don't know if I'll be able to get a video to see it, but yeah, that could have been real bad. That pinion could have exploded and just stopped the whole truck. So good thing to find it now.
So close, no matter how far, it couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters.
I'm gonna run out of spit and tape.
I'm gonna spin it over for a little bit first just to get some oil pressure.
in the lanes for our first like time shot. I think this is a no time class. We showed times like 2 weeks ago, but doesn't matter. No one cares. So this is all that's here right now. There's like 20 trucks here, but no one's coming. So this is a no time truck class. It's all trucks, big, small. Used to be just big trucks, full size trucks, but now it's they let in the small ones. But we're first out for today. It's about 4 o'clock is when it's gonna go. Good cloud cover though, so the track should be pretty good. They're out there prepping it right now. We'll see how it goes.
Never opened myself this way. Life is ours, we live it our way. All these words I don't just say. Nothing else matters. Truth I seek and I find in you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view. And nothing else matters. Never cared for what they say. Never cared for games they play.
It is day 3, I think. It's Thursday. Getting a little maintenance in. But yesterday, new PB went this guy. Don't tell anyone though. It's no time. Don't. Just keep that to yourself. So today we're gonna try and go faster. And then you see this thing tops out the shock immediately before the 60 foot. So he bought Menser 4-ways to put on this thing. So 9-inch stroke, like in the last video I talked 9-inch versus 8-inch stroke. Well, we tightened them up and it did slow it down, but only by 0.11. So the first one was topped out by 0.65. That time was topped out by 0.76. So you saw us do a bar change. I've wanted to do a bar change in it for a little while. Move the top bar up 1/4 inch. I don't know what that does to the instant center, but it moves it out further. So we're gonna see how much it slows it down. Didn't change any of the shock settings. Just gonna try and let Mechanical Advantage do its thing. And we have another qualifier. Time shot. I don't know what they do call it for no time stuff, but we have one more today, same time, about 4 o'clock. Unfortunately, every class I get into, they hate us. So yeah, we'll see you up there.
Light as a board, ain't it?
Good morning. It is Friday. We can qualify in this today. So there's qualifying for Gangster X. We don't get a time slip or anything, so apparently they're just gonna, it's like 8:50 at Cecil. I don't know how it works. And then we have another time. We are supposed to have 2 for this today, 2 for that today, and 2 for Redrum in there. I don't know. It's supposed to rain today. It rained last night. See, stuff's kind of wet. But we'll see how. We don't get a time slip, I guess. So this is all kind of just guess and check. We have a draggy in there, so that's how we'll tell. Draggies are usually pretty close. See, everyone's getting ready. I guess we better. Ran out of gas. We're stranded. Way down there. Well, unfortunately, the rest of the day got rained out. He went 3. So we're heading in the right direction. He just barely toted the wheels. These new 4-ways are just, they're acting not like we thought they were going to. So we have a lot to figure out there. May have to do another bar change. Figure it out tomorrow. So tomorrow's schedule has been really changed. I only get one more qualifier. I am qualified 54th out of 96. It's not great, but it went the draggy said it went 5:47, so we have some things to do for tomorrow. Hopefully we get closer to that 5:30 mark. But yeah, we're just gonna hang out and catch you guys tomorrow. So it is race day. Our qualifying got cut short, so we're going right into eliminations for the truck class. At least I have another qualifier in this. No time qualifying, I guess. So Ray has black S10 with like big bull horns out the top of the fenders, and then Jason has AJ Dean, which is one of the fastest trucks in the class. Nitrous S10, beautiful truck. So yeah, I guess we just have to figure it out from here. Here we are, first round. AJ Dean in this beautiful S10 against Redrum, and Ray's back there somewhere. I guess his guy hasn't come up yet. So it's hot, everyone's spinning. Generally this track after a hard rain is tough to bring around right away. So we have a A to B tune-up in it, I hope. We'll see how it goes. couple of wins, E1. We're on to the next. I'm glad the clouds kind of hid there, or the clouds hid the sun there for a little bit. Got a picture. Both trucks, pretty cool, hang on the wall. But I think tomorrow is when we're going to have E2. Who knows? You never know at this race. So now we got to run the little gangsters. It's qualifying, so I just have to do better. We're pushing up to the lanes for our second qualifier in Gangster X, it's called. Again, we have no time slips, so we have really nothing to go off of. We're hoping it goes like a 35 here. But, kind of have no idea. We just go off the draggy now. But see how it goes. Is race day 2. Jason and Ray both won first round, so we were on to round 2. It was supposed to go last night, but it rained again. And we're getting the little Gangster X truck ready because it's bright and early this morning. I don't know where I qualified. You can't find qualifying sheet, and no one can find matchups or anything. It's generally how this race is ran, so I guess we just have to go up there and see how it does. Ray and Jason, if they both win this round, they have to face each other in the next round. So that'll be something. But let's just get through this round.
get a shiver in the dark. It's raining in the park, but meantime, sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time.
We are in the lanes for the second round of trucks. I lost this morning. I must have broke out. The draggy said 531. I even dumped it, but guess we just sped it up too much. So Maximus has this little black S10 handicap. The wind's like 50-mile-an-hour headwinds today. This kind of sucks. Redrum has a white Colorado. It's diesel, but it's not up here yet. The white Colorado finally made it. It's a diesel. I don't know if you can hear me. It's so windy. So, yeah, get ready for second round.
Check out Guitar George. He knows all the chords. But it's strictly rhythm, he doesn't want to make it cry or sing.
They both made it to the next round. Jason spun a little bit and tried to wheelie. There, and then it like rattled tires out further. And you saw the ray got burned down. Truck guys, they're not, that don't happen in class racing. We have a little more respect for each other. But you want another personal best. I don't think I'm allowed to tell you, I guess. Follow the Maximus Racing page. They may tell you. Because of snow time, we wouldn't know what it went. So they may do it. So follow Maximus Racing on Facebook. Maybe you can find it. But we're getting ready for the next round. We race each other. Is the David versus Goliath story going to continue? Is he going to take down every fast truck in this class? Where's Maximus going on in the next round? Guess we'll see.
Many crowd of young boys, they're fooling around in the corner. Drunken dressed in their best brown baggies in their platform soul. They don't give a damn about any trumpet playing band. It ain't what they call rock and roll. And the Sultans, yeah, the Sultans that play Creole.
to the semifinals with Ray. We have Chris Cadato, Pete Harrell there doing, well, I can't zoom this way. Pete's on the tune-up. We have to hang some weight, tighten some stuff, because it is about to make some power. So, see how it goes. It got into wheelie control that time. Jason went 170 red. But on to the next round with this one.
Drive slow, homie. Drive slow, homie. You never know, homie. Might meet some homie. You need to pump your brakes and drive slow, homie. My homie Molly used to stay 79th and May. One of my best friends from back in the day. Down the street from Calumet, a school full of stones. He nicknamed me K-Rock, so there, leave me alone. Bull's jacket with his hat broke way off, and walked around the mall with his radio face off. Plus he had a spinner from his Dayton's in his hand, keys in his hand. Reason again to let you know he's the man. Back when we rocked the leases, he had dreams of caprices. Drove by the teachers, even more by police. How he get the cash today? His father passed away, left him with a little something. 16, he was stunting. I'll be sure. With the hair all wavy, hit Lakeshore, girls go all crazy. Hit the freeway, go at least about 80. Bone so much that summer, even had him a baby. See, back then, if you had a car, you was the Chi-Town version of baby, and I was just a virgin of baby. One of the reasons I looked up to him crazy. I used to love to play my demo tape when the system yanked. Felt like I was almost signed when the had crank. We'd take a Saturday and just circle the mall. They had their Lincolns and Auroras, we was hurting them all. With the girls, a lot of flirting involved. But dog, all that flirting, I'm trying to get in some draws. So put me on with these songs on me. He told me don't rush to get grown. Drive slow, homie. Drive slow, homie. Drive slow.
This is the semifinals for the truck class. We have Maximus versus the Brick. It's the fastest truck in the world, I guess. So we're here to take him out and claim it. So hopefully we do.
Candy leg, trunk open, screens on, neons lit with fifth legs. I'm on a mission for dime pieces and sexy ladies. Allow me to introduce you to my CL Mercedes. It's a star-studded event when I valet park. Open up my mouth in sunlight, illuminates the dark. You see them foes crawling, you see them screens falling. The disco ball in my mouth insinuates I'm ballin'. I'm leaning on the switch, sitting crooked in my slab, but I can still catch poppers if I drove a cab. A young Houston hard hitter, all about the skrilla, riding some candy coated, crawling like a caterpillar. I'm tipping on the foes, I'm jamming on this group. I'm looking for them, baby, what it do? Drive slow, homie. Turn your hazard lights on when you see them. Drive slow, homie. If you're riding around the city with nowhere to go, drive slow, homie. Live today, cause tomorrow, man, you never know. You never know, homie. Let me see, homie. You need to pump your brakes and drive slow, homie.
Well, that's it. That's all. We lost. Not by a lot. He treed the shit out of Ray. Ray went a 050 on the light. And that guy, oh my goodness. But another personal best. New personal best. I don't know what the other guy ran, obviously. No time. But we're going to get loaded up. Road Drum's already loaded up. Maximus. They're from Georgia, so it's only like a 2.5 hour ride for them. We are heading back to Pennsylvania. Well, it snowed again there, so good thing we're leaving. Head to the snow. I don't know what's next for either of these trucks. Oh, Rockingham, which is in like 2 weeks. He may try and make it. I am not. I cannot go. But I guess we'll see you up north. Well, I'm back in Pennsylvania. Still snow on the ground. Still cold. It's supposed to be kind of nice today, actually, which is good, I guess. We didn't grab the win with either truck, unfortunately. Sucks we had to race each other there in the deep in the rounds. They do a chip draw to start and then a ladder for some reason. I feel like if you do a chip draw, you should do a chip draw every round. Or if you're going to do a ladder, maybe you should do qualifying. Not show times or whatever, like they did with Gangster X. Whatever. Both trucks, new personal bests. They might tell you on their respective pages. I can't. No time, bro. You wouldn't get it. Maximus Racing, I think Redrum OBS are their Facebook pages. If you want to check those out, they may tell you. Redrum OBS is we race LDR in it, so it posts times anyway. You saw the last video. The lights out is always a good time. Generally, the weather's pretty good. Unfortunately, it rained a couple times, but on Sunday, it was like 30-mile-an-hour headwinds coming straight at you, and the DA dropped so fast. It was negative. I think when Redrum and Maximus raced, I think it was like a negative 400 or something. The conditions are unheard of, what we had. So you just have to throw an unbelievable amount of power at it. You can. Track was good because it was still like sunny and warm, so it was keeping the track good. In the air was incredible, like you're racing in a mine shaft. So cold, it could make unbelievable power, and it did. That track is always good. And after a heavy rain like that, most tracks probably couldn't bring it around to half of what that was. Have to give it up to them. It was a good race. Just we didn't have enough power in it, unfortunately. Still the fastest truck. I don't know if you know the difference between quickest and fastest. Quickest is ET, fastest is mile an hour. The truck's been 242 mile an hour. No other trucks, I don't think, even close. Just, got to know the difference. Maximus' next race is Rockingham, which is like next week. Another truck class, another Duck X race. Rockingham surface is real good, so hopefully with what we learned this week and getting the shocks revalved, they separate so fast. I don't understand what happened. We even took instant center away from it, and it still just separated too fast. When it separates too fast, that upper bar gets flat. Now your instant center's way out. When the power comes in, it wants to wheelie, which is what it did. And when it wheelies, it pulls timing and just goes slower. So hopefully with what we learned and the shocks revalved, it's going to fly. Especially at Rockingham. Beautiful surface. Beautiful track. I've never been. Just pictures and what I've been told. Redrum may try and make it too, but I don't know. We'll see. As for me, well, I'm staying right here. I have the 850 video coming out. It's almost done. It's a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. I guess I talked too much. Continuing on with the Mystichrome Cobra, I finally got some more parts in. Some parts came in and they're wrong. You wait 4 weeks for something and it's wrong. It's tough. I guess that's just the parts nowadays. No one cares. I have a website now. MorningGloryMotorsports.com. And I restock some shirts. So the Outlet shirt. Red car shirt on the site. I got more of those sizes in. All the way up to 3X. Go grab one of them. And I got the Maximus shirts. If you were at the race this past weekend, I had them there. But they are on the website now. If you want to go grab one of them. Again, up to 3X. I have hats on there. And I have some sizes of the OG shirts. Not these ones. The other OG shirts. But, yeah. Go grab one of them. Well, I guess that's going to wrap it up. If you're enjoying the content, hit subscribe for me. Seems like a lot of you watching aren't subscribed. I would appreciate it. Leave a comment. And thanks for watching. Come here.